a delivery from the Black Farmers. I'm excited about this. I saw it and thought it was pretty cool. So we're going to take a look and see what's inside. I like the little tissue paper with their name on. That's cute. We have a cool bag with some frozen packaging in. So it's nice and fresh. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready to see what's in my box? I have the sausage box. I do like me a sausage. Anyway, so we have jerk pork sausages. We have jerk chicken sausages. We have premium pork sausages with a blend of herbs and spices. Oh, they all say gluten-free. They all say gluten-free. Every single one so far. And premium pork sausages. Oh, they're the same. So you get 2 of these. So 12 of these sausages. The normal sausages with herbs and spices. Gluten-free. And then you get 6 jerk chicken sausages. I bet they're really nice. And 6 jerk pork sausages. This evening I shall make a meal containing these sausages. So we can taste them, and I'll do another video so you can see what they're like once they're cooked and everything. But yeah, these are from the Black Farmer, and I will link them below in case you want to try them yourself. They look great, don't they?